us from the Arizona Science Center, and she's going to help us do that today with a really cool explanation on an exhibit you guys have coming up.
We're talking about sharks, right?
We are. So we've got a shark exhibition, Sharks Predator or Prey, and that's going to be coming in on February 6th. So if you want to see that, you can come in starting at noon. And we're going to be talking all about those great fearsome creatures of the sea that we have heard so much about.
I mean, there's a reason Shark Week is so popular, right?
Exactly. They're fascinating creatures, and part of it is that they can be really terrifying, but they're also absolutely scientifically really interesting. So we've got a shark here that you can take a look at.
We're going to see it's
nice
inside.
and
It's on this
see-through.
side,
Okay,
yeah.
And we all know about our shark teeth and what those can
got a lot
be
of
used
them.
for.
And what's crazy is this is so little, but it's still so, if you guys could feel this, I'm telling you, it's like little tiny needles. I mean, like so
Right, they're
sharp, and the
extremely
layers.
Yeah.
But the other thing they actually have at the front of their face is a set of organs called the ampullae of Lorenzini. It's a really weird name.
Sounds like an Italian pasta.
It does kind of. It was named after an Italian.
Oh, okay.
But they're electrical receptors, and they help them actually interact with magnetic fields because the Earth's magnetic field creates an electrical current. So sharks are actually going to use some of those magnets, just like the ones we can see right here.
Yeah.
Little iron magnets. They'll snap together, and they're going to help use those to navigate, kind of similar to a compass.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, that's interesting. Mine just
All right, I
nerdy, but
never
that's
even knew.
interesting. Yeah, that's
So
really
that
cool.
magnetic field that they're sensing is the same thing that you use to stick a magnet to your refrigerator.
Okay.
Ooh,
And
I like that when it floats.
those magnetic fields are going to push off and repulse from each other, and that's going to be what our sharks are going to be interacting with. So if you want to see some big old life-size sharks, we've got full body size demonstrations. We've also got the jaws of a megalodon shark. You want to see what they looked like a
Oh
really
my gosh,
long
how
time
big
ago.
were they?
Can you,
Absolutely huge. So you
fit
can
in that
actually
jaw hole,
stand
right?
inside the jaw of it. You can also stand in a shark cage if you want to do that.
Okay, so I read something recently, like I was mentioning, I was a little bit nerdy, that they died because they wouldn't really change their diet, or they used to eat like really big whales or something. Did you hear that?
There's
Was I the
a
only
lot
one who
of
read that?
conflicting ideas on why the really, really big
Okay.
sharks died out, but that could definitely be part of it.
My goodness. I mean,
Well-
when you see them compared to the megalodons, I mean, the great whites, they look like little puppies, like chihuahuas.
And you can see, like, just with all of our displays here, this is such a great thing for kids. I mean, certainly for adults to go along for too, but you guys have managed to make it so visual and entertaining. I mean, who thought of magnets this way and then connecting them to sharks?
Right, and there's going to be a lot of things for kids to do to really get hands-on and see these sharks for themselves and get a good idea.
Okay, how long is this exhibition going on for?
So it'll be running for about 3 months.
For
and
3
it'll be
months. Okay,
starting on
great.
February 5th at noon. So you can
February
come on out.
5th.
February 5th, and see all the exhibition for yourself.
Okay, awesome. Thank you guys so much for being here. We appreciate it. Make sure you get out there to the Arizona Science Center. This exhibit is called what again? Remind me?
Sharks, Predator or Prey.
Ooh, okay, I like it. Thank you, Danya. We appreciate it. Let's give you a last look at your most accurate forecast if we can. 70 degrees today, so you might want to go to the Science Center.